I've had these in overnight, and I really hope my hair comes out popping because I got an event to go tonight, and I'd be so upset if it don't look good. I had these rollers in my hair overnight, and I only do that because, like, I'm going to an event tonight, and I ain't going to no shitterinky dinky dink type of event. Like, this event is fancy. So I do self-preparations, like having this roller in my hair overnight. I'm going to end up having to shave my leg because when winter time is approaching, I don't care. I don't be going out like that. I wear pants when I do go out, so the hair is there. I got to shave my legs. I got to get my nails done. I paint my own nails. Like, you have to. When you're going to a nice little, like when you're going to an event that you care about, you better make sure you take care of yourself. But you know what the worst thing is? Sometimes I have put in rollers in my hair, and I take them out, them shits be looking foul! Foul as hell. I be upset. You gotta go to the event. It's coming up. You take them, because I like to take my rollers out a little late. You know, closer to the event, so my hair could be popping. I hate when I take the rollers out and they look like trash, so that it's just like, fuck it. I gotta finesse the hairstyle. But I'm hoping this come out good. So like I said, I keep the rollers in. I gotta do my nails, shave my legs, shave my mustache, and just fuck with you, I ain't got no good mustache. But I know for the ladies who got a mustache, I gotta, you know, get that. And ain't nothing wrong with it because, listen, sometimes I gotta, you know, you gotta get yourself together because it's that type of event. It's that poppin', fancy, sophisticated event, you know, when ratchet meets classy, so you become clatchet. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, and like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget, hit that bell. That bell. What that bell? What? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Until next time. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.